man, did I miss? Shit. I might have had my target too aggressive. I was hoping it would come down here because I don't have much. Of course, we didn't get to the bottom yet either. Go gold. Go. We'll squeeze this down if we get to here. Sorry about that. Oh shit. Let me follow this. Go. Come on. Go down. Go down. Come on. Go down. Go down. Come on, gold. Come on. Go out of the box. Come on. Man, it stopped right there. I'm such a freaking idiot. Come on. Go through the bottom. Damn it. I got mine. I'm going to lock in that candle. I really wanted it to go through the fucking bottom, man. Shit, what was I thinking? Come on. Come on. What an idiot. I swear I'm such an idiot. Yep, such an idiot. Don't be a dick for a tick. Exactly. Exactly. I was trying to start the live stream and oh shit. And I'm not even showing the frick. I'm on the wrong chart. I was over here. Damn it. I was trading this. Sorry. I didn't even have it on the screen. Jesus. Sorry. Sorry. I was in this trade right here. God dang it. I was in this trade right here. In this trade right here. You see here. Gonna have an inside candle here. I might take a short. I'm sorry about that. I didn't. And then even when I start the live stream, I got the wrong damn chart up. Oh shit. No, that's not good. What the hell? It's like a fruit fly or something bothering me. I'm going to turn this off. God damn it. Good morning, trader Ronnie. I got kind of fucking chopped up a little bit in this shit here. I mean, I was on the right side of trades over and over again, but I was being too greedy. I was in this. I was in this. I was in this. And I was in this. So I was on the right side of trades multiple times this morning in gold. But I was trying to get bigger targets than the market was given. And so I got chopped up for nothing. There I was trying to make some big money. Hell, on this one right here, I even added a second contract right here. When this came up, sat on top here, I added a second contract there. So when this thing rolled over, it just blew through. I had my stop loss somewhere up here. I lost. I don't think I lost any money on that. I didn't make any money, Ian. I'm down $100. I'm down $100. I mean, If I was concerned about just making money, shit, man, when this thing blew up here, that was $700. But when it came back down here, I added a contract because I was looking for it to rotate up off the top of that box, 2 contracts in, and maybe get $2,000-3,000. I don't know what I'm stuck in buffering means. I don't know what that means. Okay. All right, Ian, good. I know for some reason I play it live over here to my right also. And I know last week, man, y'all were saying everything was fine, but mine over here was just didn't seem to be working. Shit. Oh, okay. I got you, Jim. Yeah, I'm looking for CL to possibly give me something here. Let me shrink this up over here and put this over here. See if oil's been down since early this morning. And gold has been up since early this morning, even though it's not up much from Friday's low. But it's been trending back up. They have a tendency lately to be trending in the opposite direction of each other. Oil seems to be going up, gold seems to be going down, and vice versa. And that's exactly what has happened this morning. Gold just kind of pissed me off this morning. I mean, it's cross. Like here's the cross. Okay, the cross of the box. But look at the size of the entry candle. You're coming down off of here, and then when it came down here, it reached all the way back and knocked out the stops before it rolled back over. That's why I got in here. I saw that happening. I saw this go down and then back up, not go through the high. And when this inside candle happened, that's why I took that short. That is why I took that short right there. Exactamundo. All right, so this is a good time for oil to slam back down across the box. This is a very good time. Absolutely beautiful time. Why is that? Because the sharks have everybody thinking long. Best time to steal money is when you got everybody leaning one direction. Seriously. You'll figure that out over time when you're trading the strategy. You'll figure out when they got you leaning one way, that's when they run it the other. just like this, and this. They have everybody leaning long for them to slam it the other way. I mean, it's it's uncanny to watch. They did it twice in gold this morning. Get you leaning one way and rotate it the other. There they go. Let's see if it happens. Let's see if it happens. Let's see if it happens. Boy, this box doesn't have much room to it. $400, $460. Ooh. What's going on? What's all that? Oh, we got news? Is there news or something? That was an ugly candle. I don't need any news. Don't need any news. Certainly don't need any news. Just let us trade, damn it. Come on, go down. Well, we're going to have a really small consolidation candle right here. Very small consolidation candle if this doesn't start moving. All right, now it's moving. Excuse me. Come on, start moving. Start moving. $400 isn't major, but I mean, it is gold. I mean, it is oil, so I'll take it if it gives it to me. I'll take it if it gives it to me. Come on. There you go. Let's get off our arse and let's make money. Let's make money. Go, baby. Come on. I need that. I need that. Come on. It's $400. I need that $400. Give it to me, damn it. Give it to me. Give it to me. Cross that damn box. Don't make me have to scream and yell like an idiot. Come on. Don't be a... There we go. Bam! How did he know? How did he know? How did he know? All right, let's see here. Boy, freaking gold is going to cross the box again. This is where the real money is right here. This is where the real money is. So see, we came in the box here, up, and it crossed. Consolidated right on the box, and it's crossing again. Just unbelievable. But I say it. Like I didn't see this candle right here. I didn't see that candle forming live. I wish I had, because if it went through the bottom first and then came out the top, that's just If it had gone through the bottom, kind of looks like it did that. I didn't see it live, so I don't know. If it went through the bottom of this candle first and then back out the top when it's sitting right on the bottom of our box, I mean, that's the sign right there. God dang. That would have been a beast. Yeah, that would have been a beast. The key is to what happened between these two candles. Because if it came out the top and then through the bottom, that's some real nasty, dirty dog stuff. And then back up, that's some real nasty, dirty dog stuff, because you would have had to have some big giblets to hold on to that rotation. I didn't see it live, so I don't know. But you'd have had to have some big giblets if it came out the top, then through the bottom, and then back out the top again. Again, I didn't see it. What I did see is the most magnificent cross-the-box trade in oil that you're going to see today. Woohoo! Oil has been very consistent on this trade lately, man. I'm telling you, very consistent. Much more consistent than gold. There was a day last week, I don't remember what day it was, that at like 2 o'clock in the afternoon, the damn thing went back in the box, retested from the top to the bottom, and went woof right to the bottom of the box. It was freaking amazing. It was absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. That's so nice. What did I tell you guys here? What did I tell you guys? Go back and watch the video of me talking to you live right here. Go back and watch the video of me talking to you live right here. I went and looked. I saw what scenarios we had going on. And I said, they got everybody leaning long. That's exactly what they want. The sharks are going to bring it back inside and cross the box. And that's exactly what they did. First of all, I wouldn't be trading the NQ. Avalon. You shouldn't trade the NQ. I can't. How many people I tell not to trade the NQ is probably astounding. How many people I tell not to trade the NQ. You should not trade the NQ ever until you've created a bankroll. The NQ is not a place to trade. I could name so many people that trade the NQ that have absolutely no right to be doing that, because they never make money doing it. But if you want me to show you some NQ trades on Friday, I'm going to tell you right now, Friday afternoon, Jim, don't even look at your chart. If it's Friday afternoon and you're trading the NQ, what setup are you looking for? Just say it out loud, and then I'm going to pull it up on my chart and show it to you. Exactly. The freaking red line. So just for shits and giggles, let's go over there and see if I was right on Friday afternoon. Let's see here. Friday afternoon. Red line, boom, gone. Red line, boom, gone. Red line, boom, gone. That's it. There's $4,000 in trades right there on the red line. Jim, hello? If you're going to trade NQ in the afternoon, you better trade the red line only. Now that I've come over here and looked at the NQ chart, Jesus, Mary and Joseph, guys. So, holy mother of God, let's look at this. I give you this red line so that y'all can be successful. I figured this damn thing out years ago. I'm too stupid to know how to trade it for years. Now I know how to trade it. But look at this damn thing. We crossed the red line at freaking 6, 7 o'clock in the morning. We slam up to it at 9:30 and it's gone. The red line. Remember that. Then we never see the red line again because we reject off the bottom of the box. Never see it again until right here. And then boom, straight down. Boom. I mean, can you see this? This is a 5. Let me point out to you guys. I cannot stress this enough. This is a 5-minute moving average, and you're using 1-minute candles to precisely catch the entry and make the freaking money. This right here, this little line right here is the tool for your success. Then we come down to it again, right there. Boom. It's like bug repellent. And I didn't even look at this chart. And I asked Jim, what trades would you be taking on a Friday afternoon in the NQ? And people put the red line. And then I go over to the red line, not even knowing. But I do know. Shit, man, the money that the red line made on Friday afternoon. Shit. You wouldn't need a job. That is sickening, the red line in NQ on Friday. Truly sickening. Here, 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 and here. And every time price got to that point, it got rejected. Technically, this red line should be freaking gold. It should be the gold line on the chart. Because it is gold. It is literally freaking gold. You show anybody else who has ever shown you a line that rejects price as smoothly as that red line, and I'll be amazed. Unbelievable. That was amazing. That was truly amazing. That really was amazing. Holy shit. I guess I should have. I didn't look at the charts until right now. I didn't look at Friday afternoon's chart till right now. But I know in my mind what's going to work the best. You'll get some static line trades too, but we weren't in consolidation on Friday. We were definitely in a down day, so there was no static lines to trade. Amazing, just amazing. That was some beautiful, beautiful setups in the NQ. Holy crap. I need to go look at the I wonder, did the ES blow up at that time too? Let's go back here. Let's just for fun. Let's go back to another instrument that I do recommend people trade. How about that? Let's go look at ES in the Friday afternoon. Didn't do shit right here. Looks like it never touched the red line except for way the hell up here until it got here. Blew right through it. Okay. Blew right through it. All right. And then hit it here. So it did do one to the close of the business. Wow. Oh, why did I even bring this down? I got NQ chart in my, I got an NQ chart right here. I mean, an ES chart right here. Right there. All right. Oh, Jim, you're talking about the thing at the bottom that tells us what strategy we're trading. Of course, mine are staying. Mine are staying. Okay. Huh. I didn't see. Well, I showed you the chart in the ES. The ES didn't look like it respected it as well. I'll bet you if you look at the ES, and I'd have to look at them side by side, I'll bet you the ES's lines that because it had the same peaks as NQ. If you go back and look, I'm betting you they match time wise, and the ES was waiting for the NQ to reach resistance. Remember we talked about it for you want the markets to agree with each other. I'll bet you the peaks in the ES agree with the peaks in the NQ. And I know as a trader who trades the NQ relatively often, especially the last 3 months or so.
Catherine.
Let me grab this. Hold on. Sorry, that was my daughter calling me to pick up an order of fireworks for the 4th of July. What a good daughter. What a good daughter. I missed the top of the box here in gold. I missed the top of the box here in gold. Look at this. So let's just, for conversational purposes, look what happened here in gold. Okay. It broke this pivot right here. Remember, footprints in the sand, created space, pull back, boom, there's your long. There's your long. I mean, that's just as clear as the nose on your face, man. That's just as clear as the nose on your face. Literally. That was a beautiful setup. Beautiful setup in gold. I know, Jim. I had to answer the phone. My daughter called, man. You got to answer. You know, when your daughter calls, you got to answer the freaking phone. My son, I'll drop him in voicemail. But my daughter, I got to answer the phone. There you go, Papa Duke. There you go. And your little pivot broken to the left right here before that pullback. That's just icing on the cake right there. That's icing on the cake that trade's going to work. That is icing on the cake. Good morning, Gene. Good job, Jake. Exactly, it did. It broke the pivot. Exactly, Papa Duke. That was the icing on the cake. You had the gap. You had the gap right here. You broke this pivot, and the bigger pivot over to your left right there. The main one right here. It's like it's telling you, hey guys, we're going long. Jump on the parade. Okay. Well, now we're in this point of trading where things can get a little man, I'm telling you, these lenders are driving me crazy, man. Business must be slow, Jim, because these lenders are begging me to close deals before I'm even ready for houses. I just got 2 emails from 2 different lenders today trying to close deals. Like, dude, I don't even have the building permit. Hell, I just got the engineered plans last Thursday on frickin' house. Shit. I'll try this little 1-minute gold line here in gold and oil. I'm not going to give it any room. Let it roll down to the prior day close. If it does, come on, keep going. Keep going. Come on, oil, go. First off, stop there. Stop there. Keep going. Come on, oil, go down. Come on. Ah, I'm going to get knocked out. No. Maybe not. Come on. Roll over. I'm not going to let it roll up on me. Roll over, damn it. Come on. Ah, yeah. Not going to let it roll up on me. Maybe, David. I can relate to that, Avalon. I know one thing, David, and I don't know what it is, but I'm more busy now building houses than I was anytime through the pandemic. I'm just like so freaking busy. I can't even see straight. I literally have 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 houses right now that lenders are waiting on contracts from me. 4 houses that they're waiting on contracts from me. I got to sit down and actually do the damn contracts. I'm looking for NQ right here. I'm looking for NQ right here for a long. I'm looking for NQ right here. Come on. Sit. Sit. All right. Go. Come on. Pop, stop, and run, baby. Bobby needs a new pair of shoes. Keep going. Don't stop believing. Don't stop believing. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, NQ. What the heck? Fire it off. Don't do that. God, you piece of shit. Of course you came back. What's going on upstairs? Yeah, it is, David. It is. I should have been paying more attention to that than this NQ. This was such a beautiful setup. Crossover of the mid band. Broke this pivot right here on the upswing. I mean, it was beautiful. Just didn't have any legs. Just didn't have any legs. It's a beautiful setup. Just didn't have any legs. Just didn't have any legs. Now, this high is higher than this high, which is not good for longs. See how this high right here, see these little things to watch. See this high right here. These are little things with the NQ you really got to pay attention to. This high here is higher than this high here when it rolled back. So that is not a sign to take longs. All right, so I am going to step away for a minute. Hold on here. Hold on here. Hold on here. Hold on. Hold on, Nelly. Hold on, Nelly. Hold on. GC is potentially setting up. We had an inside candle. Let me get the GC up here. We had an inside candle right here. Okay. Oh man, I would love it to go through the bottom and then out the top. Come on. Come on. Do that. Go out the bottom of this candle, then out the top. That would be wondrous. But even if it doesn't do that, since it's an inside candle, I'm willing to take it. I'm willing to take it long. Ruh-roh. All right. Forget it. Forget it. All right. I'll be right back. Hold on. What do we got going on here? A lot of garbage. All right, hold on here. Snow was in here earlier. He's working with Ninja right now to get whatever the issue is fixed. Some reason mine's working. But it's not working in the latest form. I don't know. It seems to be working, but come on, Gold. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, gold. Come on. Don't crop out. Yeah, there you go. Don't crap out on me. There you go. Come on. Okay, there you go. Come on. Now, to be perfectly honest with you, I don't expect it to run, but I'm going to, there you go. All right. Let's go. Come on, baby. I'm going to lock in this 250 here. If we come back inside the box, I'm getting a lot more run out of this than I expected. I'll be perfectly honest with you. Jesus. A lot more than I expected. So now I'm kind of confused. I am. I'm really confused. All right. Oh shit. Are you gonna go to my target right out of the gate like that? Shit, I don't know. Come on, go. This is more like what I expected right here. All right, we broke that pivot. So let me point out to you, we broke this pivot to our left. So I'm going to give it some room. Oh my God. There goes all my profits. I'm going to give it some room. Let me go all the way down here. This is not good. This is not good. That was terrible on my part. I should have freaking taken my money and run. That is like the third time. It's like the third time in gold today that I've been up $500-600 and it just rolls right back over. That's literally like the third time today. I knew I was in trouble. I said it because we ran out of here way too fast. That never should have transpired like that. Yeah, it's going in the directions I'm expecting it to go. It's not having the follow through that I need it to have. I mean, gold is rotating exactly the way I want it to in terms of like points, exact points. This. I mean, it's picking the right points. It's just not getting me anywhere when it does. Ouch. I have a freaking kidney stone here. All right, let me get this out of the way. This thing's gone back into shit mode. Gold has gone back into shit mode because it's probably going to cross the box to the downside now. God dang it. They caught me leaning long. See? See that? They caught me leaning long. The sharks caught me leaning long. Now they're going to run it across the box probably to the downside. All right, let's see what we got going on here. Give me a minute. Give me a minute or two or three. Give me a minute or two or three. All right. So let me think here. So I'm going to watch. Hold on here. Let me get this over here. I'm going to watch this right here for a potential W. Okay. Bing, Bing, bing. I still think it's going to cross the box. That's my opinion. I think they intentionally brought it to that mid band, ran it straight up to reverse it across the box, which is why I got out right here. Yep. There it goes. It's going to cross the fucking box again. What is going on over here? Oh, crap. All right, the trade here is short. If this candle stays right here, the trade here is short. Because we went through the prior day close, overnight open, all that shit, right? Whatever that is. Yeah, prior day close and overnight open. Broke this pivot to the upside, came back up and retested. So the trade is to the downside. If the candle would stay small, it's getting too damn big. God dang it. Would you just. Come on. Go. There you go. Now let's go. Now go down. Come on. Just keep going. Oh my God. Are you going to do it? Retest? No, roll over. Come on. All right. All right. Come on. Roll over. Not looking good. Not looking good. Not looking good. Come on, man. Yeah, not looking good. Rejection of the bottom of the box in NQ could be a good trade here. I'm going to watch for it right here. Oh, shit. Yeah, sorry. Let's actually take it instead of talking about it. Come on, go. No. Ah, why did you go back up? Because of the ES. God damn it. Because of the ES. That's why you went back up. Because the ES is crossing the box to the long side. So we're in a quandary. God dang it. Let me shrink this up. We're in a quandary right now because ES went up and inside its box. And the RTY is poised to go, not the RTY. The NQ is set to go short. That's where this thing got kind of caught. So I'm going to pay attention to this ES potentially crossing the box here. If I can get a candle that rejects long. What keeps... Good job, Patriot. I rejected this after it did a retest. I'm trying to get real money out of it. So I'm going to defend this right here. I'm trying to get real money out of it. Out of gold. I just don't know. Come on, gold. Just go. God dang it. Don't roll up. Yeah. Once again, freaking gold. Lacking on the follow through. Once again. Oh, shit. I'm in this ES trade when I wasn't paying attention. Sorry. That's why you trade with stops. Well, we'll let this go. It's working. Working for all the wrong reasons. Freaking gold. God dang it, gold. You had me. I got a couple $100 on it, but Jesus, man, come on. All right, ES is still working long here. Come on, I need you to roll up. Come on, just roll up. Shit. What time is it? 10:07? Yeah. Come on, man. Rotate long. Go NQ. I need the NQ to go up. Take the ES with it. Come on. Oh my God. Uh-oh. Come on. Yeah, roll up. Roll up. Come on. Roll up, NQ. Come on. Come on, guys. Fuck. This is ridiculous. Come on. Okay, we're in the box. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go across. Let's go across, ES. Let's go across. All right, come on, come on, come on, come on. Pivot. Pivot. Break this area right here. Break that. Break that zone. Come on, I need you to go through it. The NQ has. The NQ broke its pivot. That's a good sign. All right, all right, all right, all right, all right. So oh my God. Come on, let's go. All right. So I'm a little so let me see here. Can I move this down? Oh, that's kind of freaking crazy. Let me do this. Yes. Do this. And let me do this. And let me do this. All right. Jesus. All right. And some freaking energy. Why are you sitting here? It's not looking good. Not looking good. Come on. Come on. Energy. Oh, fuck. Come on. Again, why am I allowing it to do this? Because this pivot did break this pivot. Same thing. This pivot broke this pivot. I mean, this pivot broke this pivot. So they're still showing that long is the initial intent, at least. And for me, I'm looking for this to get probably to this area, and then I'll close it out. I don't know that I'm going to try to take it across the box. I'm going to try to get it to this area right here at least. See how it goes there, and then maybe if I can get it there. It's just, God dang it. Swear to God. Work! fuck. Just fucking bullshit. God dang bullshit. Just can't get anything to go. We're getting into summer trading here. It's pissing me off. Follow throughs are just not there. All right, sit. Don't run off. Oh, God damn it. All right, so we retested after a crossover, so I'm going to try for a long here. God dang, I'm going to get knocked out. What the hell? Yep. You have got to be kidding me. Yep. Unbelievable. Mm. So our YM has just been like this. Not much going on there. Very ugly. Man, this is tempting me to go long here. Shit. All right, I'm going to put one there. Back through. All right, let's go. Come on. Come on. There you go. Let's go. Come on. There you go. All right, now. But what do you do? Why are you doing this? I'm going to give you some room. Oh, no, I'm not. Why is my... Oh, man. Uh-oh. 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 I don't know that it wants to go anywhere, Bill, because we're not moving. Look at RTY. Look at what that are moving. Ironically, apparently the best right now is the ES and the NQ. But I mean, how much are they going to move if the other two, especially the YM, if it doesn't do shit? Has not even touched a line, hasn't touched a mid-band or the bottom of the box, hasn't touched anything. It literally hasn't done a thing. Man, I'm getting so sick and tired of me getting these charts stuck. Yep, still stuck. I mean, look at this. It's like they're waiting on something. Maybe war news. That's possible. They're sitting around waiting on war news. I mean, that's very, very possible. Gold rejected the bottom of the box. Is it going to go anywhere? Who knows? There's certainly no intent right now. That's why I'm kind of sitting here. I mean, there's just no intent to do anything. Come on. I can't do anything right today. I literally can't do anything right today. And the rejection of the bottom of the box in GC. Come on, man. This should go right down to the low. Why are we sitting here? Why are we sitting here? Well, I'm out of. All right, maybe something's going to start moving. Jesus. Let's go for a second. Okay, let me point this out while the market's starting to break some pivots. So see, this was the prior day low. We came up to it, rejected it in the pre-market, never tested the top of it. So, you know, my dumb logic, we cross inside that, outside the box, boom, we should be going right to here because we haven't tested the top of the prior day low since we've crossed it. I mean, and it may get there. It just, you know, it's just sure takes any of it. Well, June. It's June, you know. That's one thing. And the other thing is, I mean, you know, again, we are in the morning. These markets have been, you know, shot all the place in the mornings lately from news announcement shit. And I think you get a little skittish. Now, see, here's a tap and a second tap, inside candle to the downside. Watch this thing. God dang it. I should have been paying attention. So we broke that pivot, came up, tested the bottom of the box again, and gave side. There's your trade. Damn, what the hell, Bob, were you doing? Sitting there reading your freaking text, and that's what you're doing. You know? Are you going to roll back up now? That's insane. Price is just absolutely terrible. Even if I caught that trade, I'd have been out with no money. Where is my God damn, so sick. These charts getting stuck. Oh, it's going to pop right out of that top. It's going to pop right out of that top. And it goes right there. That's going to take off. Ping. Did it not? It did. Interesting. I'm still looking at all four equities at the same time. So, I mean, we ain't going anywhere. Let's get to the good news. Good news is RTY is on the long side. YM is on the long side. NQ has joined the party to be on the long side. So the last to join the party to be on the long side will be the ES. If we can get them the same side of the equation, maybe this will start rotating and creating some patterns for us. Because they have been opposites for a long time. So we just, I think the ES just needs to get a little energy now, get itself north of this red line, start breaking some major pivots like this one right here, and then maybe these things will start lining up. And the RTY across the damn box. What a dog. Look at that. Out the bottom, across the inside. Just like oil did earlier today. That oil trade I took, exact same scenario. Exact same scenario the oil trade I took earlier today. Tell the box, here's your entry, there's your target. It did it. All right, I'm waiting for everybody to line up. See you, Gene. So, come on, ES. We're waiting on you. Come on, ES. We're waiting on you. This is where things are still stuck. This has to build up enough energy to get everybody else moving. Other than the RTY. The RTY decided to just do its own damn thing. It just decided to do its own damn thing. All right, here we go. Starting to do it. We needed to break this pivot right here. One right here. The ES is starting to finally get moving here. Still consolidating. Come on, ES. Go. Watching, pay attention to it. If it touches the top of the bottom of the box, be looking for it across the box. That's my recommendation on CL. If anybody's watching CL right now. All right, so the ES is finally joined. Nice. You caused the loss right here, waiting for you. Because right now the ES and the NQ are out of sync. I mean, they're moving in the same, they're agreeing with each other. Way stretched. This one's down support. Yeah, that's what it did. It had an ugly path because of this ES. I mean, it had an ugly path. It was stuck. Now, freaking oil's just going to cross the box without any tests. Well, isn't that exciting? All right. Maybe finally. All right. It's pretty ugly. Pretty ugly. Crap. Oh, 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 oh. That was a big spike. Is that possible? Need to go check that out. I just realized that. Mm-hmm. Oh, come on, man. There we go. Does anybody have any idea why I took that trade? Come on, I need you to go now. Ah, fuck. So we had a run up. We ran again, lower high. Boom. Probably going to work out. It's probably going to still work out to the downside. So you see that? Remember, this is rejection when you're at the bottom. This is resistance. We're at the bottom of that box. This way, out, and then this candle failed. That's your rollover right there. I mean, you just it there, and there it goes. That's $1,000. This footprints in the sand, man. That's what I talk about. Footprints in the sand. That pivot right there, right. It's a crap. This pivot right here had to be broken when this rolled up. If it didn't, this was the trade. We never had space above that line. Does everybody see that? Space above that line for us to the long side. We were stuck on the line through here. So down, came back, did not break that pivot. Bam, that's your trade. By the way, oil just did the same thing. Oil, same thing. The run up, the run down, back up, did not go higher than that, and there's your rejection. Oil just did the same thing. It's It's my fault for screwing up managing the trade, but that's the trade. So it's an basically boom, 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 boom. Just the follow through today is just so bad. I mean, in normal trading like September, let's just say, like September, this went like a freight train. Like a freight train, your money. That's what would have happened right here. Like a freight train. But today, we ain't doing shit. But literally that trade. And the funny part is, here's the sad part. The setup is this instrument. The ES had more freaking movement than the NQ on it. What the hell? Even though the setup is in the NQ, it's not in the ES. Yeah, the ES had freaking more reaction to that pattern than the NQ, which the trade was based off the NQ price action. It's terrible. Freaking hate summer trading. We're getting into summer trading. I mean, this should have fallen like a stone. Holy shit. Look at this. So this ES part went down 12 points. And I couldn't get the NQ to roll over down to here. Come on, man. That doesn't even make any sense. Hey, Papa Duke. Congratulations. Congratulations. Oh my God. And so remember the scenario I gave you with oil? Up, down, back up. This high is lower than that high. See what I tell you? That's it right there. There's your trade. I mean, sadly enough, this one's going to work better than it did in the freaking NQ. Exact same setup. Wow. Holy shit, Papa Duke. Holy cow. My grandkids all have 4 legs. I'm not talking about the ones that live with me, kids. Those are my kids. But my grandkids have 4 legs also. My grandkids. Oh yeah. I can imagine that. I can imagine that, Papa Duke. I seriously can. My business partner in the last like 4 years has had 4 or 5 grandchildren. And he's like, He's like, dude, I can't stop building houses because my wife keeps spending money. He says it's more expensive to have grandkids than it is to have kids. uh, yeah. Gonna do now. Try to cross the box again in oil. In oil. Look at that. Gonna try to cross the box again in oil. Let me see if I can. It's not a big trade because the box was small. I mean, I'm in it. I'm gonna try to cross the box again in oil. I mean, we came straight across, rejected the top of the box, also the red line at the same time. Had this inside candle. I said, well, forget it. I'm going to take it because I only had to protect this candle here on the entry, not this one. I just need you to cross now. Come on. Quit acting up. Oh, come on, oil. Quit acting up. Quit acting up. By the way, I'm watching NQ. See if it's on pull back to the top of that box. I sure need oil to cross the box here. That would be nice. Oh, are you in that one, Patriot? Because that's yeah. I just have to over and see it setting up. I'm like, well, hell, I gotta take it. I mean, identification of where's going to be the big green candle. Well, I identify green candle as what I need it to do now is actually follow through. Which is what the market hasn't been doing all day. Follow through, damn it. Come on, man. Come on, you freaking piece of crap. This is exactly why I hate trading. You get in an absolutely perfect trade, you get nice green candles, and the market just freaking poo-poos on it. Just gives up. Just gives up. Okay, I'm going to stop there. I'm going to defend that. I should have added one there, but I have no confidence today. Normal movement, I would have added a contract right there. I tried to get the down, and I got knocked out. No, I didn't. That was in NQ. I'm sorry, American Patriot. Sorry. Yeah, the down was a good setup. I didn't catch the down. I'm trying to catch the up, and of course, we're going to run out of energy. Ha ha. Anybody? Come on, oil, go up. Come on, baby. Come on. Man, I've never struggled so much for $50 in my life. Come on. Yeah, I'm not paying attention to gold anymore right now. Oil's not, so I'm going to kind of focus on it while I'm waiting for these equities to all agree with each other. I haven't given up on NQ. I have not given up on NQ at all. I'm still waiting for a nice violent pullback to the top of the box. I just need my oil trade to actually follow through. Come on, man. Jesus. All right, we broke this pivot. Now just go. Oh my God, so freaking painful. Oh my God. This is just vicious. Come on, oil. Oh my God. I'm going to lose my mind. My God, I'm really just going to lose my mind. Thank God I didn't add that second contract. I don't have any confidence in the follow through today. Remember, my second contract should have been right there. Granted, it's in profit, but come on, it would be in profit, but come on, man. Let's go. There you go. Now, come on, follow through. You broke this pivot here. Going just to roll over again. Perfect. Now, let's follow through. Follow through. Follow through. Come on. Oh my God, come on, man. What the hell? Oh God, what are you doing? It's just literally insanity. Just literally insanity. I'm still watching NQ. It isn't doing shit. The NQ isn't doing anything. It needs to pull back desperately. Come on. All right, let me defend that spot. This is just beyond freaking ridiculous. We keep breaking the pivot to our left by about a tick or two and then rolling over. It's only so many times you can go to the well of rolling over and it push it back up. And we are running out of those times. Oh my God, I'm just amazing. Just freaking amazing. Just freaking amazing. I'm done. Jesus, just fucking garbage. Just garbage. Just garbage. Oh my God. Did anybody catch the long off the top of the box in the RTY? Did anybody do that? Did anybody do the long off the top of the box in RTY? It actually set it up. It even broke the pivot, pulled back, sat on top of the box, boom, gone. Kind of the scenario I've been waiting for this to do. Kind of the action I've been waiting for the NQ. The RTY. So this is what I'm talking about. So we crossed over, blew through it, came back up, broke the pivot right here, sat on the box, boom, there's your trade. Just wasn't sure if anybody took that trade. That's the setup I've been waiting for over here in the NQ. I'll wait for it in ES too. It don't matter. I would have taken it in the RTY if I hadn't been stuck in that extremely long oil trade. Extremely long oil trade. I was in oil 11 minutes. God dang. Mm-hmm. The infamous inside candle in gold to the downside. inside. We ran straight up to the bottom of the box. Inside candle. Come on, roll over. Keep rolling over. Come on, keep rolling over. Come on. Just do something for today. Roll over, do something. Have some freaking gumption. Come on, gold. Oh my God, are you going to possibly do something for me today? I'm not letting this roll up, just for everybody to know. Through. Back to the mid band. Back to the mid band. Come on. Come on. There you go. That inside candle right there, that was not big, gave the entry. Gave me the entry. Jesus, Mary and Joseph. Well, oil crossed the box, of course, because I'm not in it anymore. Can't make any money on this trade, but I'm going to try it anyways. There's really not any room for this trade, but take it anyways. Come on, let's go, ES. Let's go. Come on. Just keep going. 73, 78. So I'm going to get points out of this. Try to get out of this. Let's go. Keep going. Give me my 5 points. Give me my 5. Don't run out of gas right here. Just go through the top. There you go. Keep going. Give me my 5 points. Come on. I really didn't expect it to do it. I didn't. I run through, but I mean, yeah. Come on, yes, come on. Come on. Ah, shit. Yeah. No, I didn't expect it to roll up for 5 points, but damn it. Come on. Go. Come on. Come on, a little bit of energy right here. All right, well, I'm not going to lose money anymore. Let's just make sure of that on this next run up. I'm watching the NQ intently, and I'm not going to. It's rolling over. Yeah, I'm done. All right. Yeah. Yep. I didn't think it would run up for 5 points, but I'm like, well, what the hell? I'll try. I'll try to get 5 out of it. I didn't want 2 or 3. I wanted 5. But anyways, look at that. Look at that trade in oil. I mean, in gold, it's actually crossing the box. So like if I was still in it, which I'm not because I'm a big sissy, you put your target here. When it rolls up, which you should anticipate that at the mid band, you then add right there. So you'd have 2 contracts. First one up here, second one down here. Your stop somewhere in here to make sure minimum you at least get your target should be right. But I mean, I got $460 on that rotation, so I'm all right with that. Shoot, look at that. There it goes. I'm still sitting here watching all the instruments, and nothing is showing any signs of real movement. I still think the best potential trade of the day in the NQ is going to be either it slamming down to here or look at what we're looking at here. Or it later in the day when this line is up here, it for support to head back towards this area. Not that it's going to go to that area, but remember, we're not in new territory. Okay, this is Friday's high, so we're not in new territory. So you're not flying blind, but if the intent is to keep the market somewhat long today, was the YM, which I know nobody should be surprised by. The YM was the one, so everybody else was showing short. And then slowly the RTY showed, then the NQ showed long, and then the ES finally joined the party. But so I think long is the call for the NQ for the day. So for an NQ trade, you need violence. Cleaning out stops. That's either a rotation down to here or a rotation to this line north of here. And then a reaction. So anyways, I'm going to shut down. At least I didn't lose money today. Yeah, at least I didn't lose money today. I made $488. Woo! $488. Well, damn good that $160 gold trade at the end there. I didn't even realize that till right now, where I was P&L wise. Everybody have a good day. I will talk to you guys hopefully tomorrow. Bye.